Number 1. Did the audience go bananas?
Just say yes.
No.
No. Okay. How do you understand the phrase go bananas?
Then it's just crazy. Go crazy.
Yes. Okay. So number 1 is no. And how about number 2?
No idea. Let's see.
So what is that?
What's that? What's cream?
Cream splits.
So read it carefully and tell me whether it is yes or no.
Oh.
Yes.
It is talking about a competition, right? So
Yes, maybe.
A beat B 11-1. So did he cream B?
Yes.
Yes, of course. 11-1. Yes. Okay. How about number 3?
Yes.
Of course. A gold watch for $5. Okay. Yes. Number 4?
No.
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 Piece of cake. No. Number 5?
A lemon, huh?
Yes. Yes. It's
Maybe
yes.
yes.
Yes. A lemon.
Oh.
Okay. Number 6?
Talking baloney?
Yes.
Oh,
Talking bologna.
Yes.
Yes. We have already done that in the previous exercise. So is it yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. It is nonsense. Okay. Nonsense. Talking baloney. Number 7? Number 7? Can you please mute for a while? Thank you. Okay, number 7?
No. No.
No.
No. In a pickle means in hot water. So no. Okay. Number 8?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. He is nuts. Okay. He is insane. Insane, right? Crazy. Yes. Okay. Insane. And number 9?
No. Oh, yes. So
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Pay full price. Full price. What does it mean? Full price. Full price.
Full price.
Is it peanuts?
Yeah. Peanuts. Yeah.
No, peanuts is just a small amount of money.
No, I mean. Nothing else.
So number 9.
Misunderstanding.
Number 9. Yes or no?
No.
No.
No, this is not peanuts, okay? Not a small amount of money. She paid the full price. So the answer is no. For peanuts means only for a small amount of money. Like I get paid peanuts for that job. So it means I get only a small amount of money. But here it is the full price. Okay, number 10.
Yes.
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 Yes, the apple of the eye. Someone's eye. Yes. Okay. Yes, 11.
Yes.
Yes, she is a peach. Okay, a good friend. Someone who is kind, sensible. This is what we call peach.